This festive season, as we celebrate joy, hope, and new beginnings, I want to remind you of something important. Your past does not define your future. If you've been denied credit, overwhelmed by debt, or stuck in the cycle of low credit scores, it's easy to feel hopeless. But here's the truth. Bad credit is temporary when you have the right roadmap. That's why I created the ebook, Bad Credit is Not a Life Sentence, a proven step-by-step guide to rebuilding your credit, taking control of your finances, and writing a brand new chapter of financial freedom. Inside, you'll discover an easy-to-follow credit repair plan, a clear understanding of how credit scores really work, practical debt management strategies, and expert insights to help you avoid costly mistakes. This isn't gimmicks or empty promises. It's a structured plan you can trust, designed to work when you put it into action. Imagine approval for the car or home you've been dreaming about, lower interest rates that save you thousands, and the confidence of knowing you're in control of your financial story. This season, don't just celebrate, decide. Bad credit doesn't have to be a life sentence. Your comeback starts here. Download Bad Credit is Not a Life Sentence today and take the first step toward financial freedom. Your breakthrough is one decision away.